In today's video, I will walk you through how to add negative volume index, or NVI, in Robinhood Legend. Go to Robinhood Legend. Once you are on the platform, move your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the screen where the chart controls and tools are located. Just below the Add Widget option, look for the Indicators icon. This is where you can access the full list of indicators available for your chart layout. Click on the Indicators icon to continue. After clicking the Indicators icon, select Add Indicator to open the Indicators menu. Once the menu appears, you will see a list of available indicators that can be added to your chart. From here, you can either scroll through the options manually or use the search box to find the indicator faster. In the search box, type NVI and wait for the matching result to appear in the list. When you see negative volume index in the search results, click on it to add it to your chart. After selecting the indicator, it will automatically appear within your current chart layout. Once the indicator has been added, you can customize it by clicking on Setting. Open the Settings panel and review the available customization options shown on the screen. Adjust the settings according to your preferred chart setup and continue updating the options until everything appears the way you want. After completing your adjustments, close the Settings panel to return to the main chart view. The negative volume index indicator will remain active on your chart unless you remove it or replace it later. If needed, you can always return to the Indicators menu again to make additional changes or update the settings whenever necessary. By following these steps, you can quickly add and customize the negative volume index indicator inside Robinhood Legend and keep it available directly on your chart layout for future use.